Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials. Enable developer options and USB debugging on the device so ADB can trust your machine. Connect the device to your PC with USB now, because initial pairing requires authorization. Once done, open a terminal, run a DB devices to confirm the device is connected, then run a DB TCPIP 5555 to switch to wireless mode. Make sure to note the device IP shown in settings. You will use that for the wireless connect step shortly. Now you transition to the wireless link. Run a DB connect device IP 5555 from your PC terminal so ADB opens a TCP connection to the device. You should see a connected status. Once that appears, you can safely unplug the USB cable. Make sure to verify with a DB devices because sometimes multiple endpoints appear. If needed, specify the target with a DBS device IP 5555 shell to avoid ambiguity. To finish, keep the wireless session active while you debug. When done, run a DB disconnect device IP 5555 or a DB kill server to cleanly end connections. If the device reverts to USB mode, reissue a DB TCPIP 5555 over USB, then reconnect wirelessly. If you run into trouble, check that PC firewall isn't blocking port 5555. Confirm both devices are on the same subnet, and verify the device IP didn't change. This simple check solves most connection failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.